Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet the parallels stitch. To begin, you want to start off with a beginning chain of a multiple of 4 plus 2. So here I have 20, which is a multiple of 4, and then I'm going to add 2. And then in this first row, we are starting with a single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and we are just going to single crochet all the way across. So go ahead and start your first row by single crocheting in each chain across. So here I've completed all of my single crochets in all the chains across. So for row 2, I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and in the very first stitch I'm going to make a single crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then in the next one I'm going to make a single crochet. And that is the pattern we are going to follow. So we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 3 stitches, and then in the next a single crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a single crochet. So go ahead and do this all the way across for row 2. So here I am at the end of row 2, and you should have made a single crochet into the very last stitch. We're not working into the turning chains at all, just into the last stitch. For row 3, turn your work, chain 1. We are going to make a single crochet into that very first space, or that very first stitch. We're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip all of these chains, and then single crochet into the single crochet from the previous row. And that's all we're going to do. Chain 4, skip all those chains, and then single crochet into the single crochet from the previous row. And we're going to do that all the way across. And then this is the row that we are going to repeat until we have the height of our project. And here I am at the end, and I'm just going to single crochet right into that last stitch. So we're just going to repeat row 3 until we have the height of our project, and then for the very last row, just to match the first row, we are going to chain 1, turn our work. So again, I would just repeat row 2 until I have the height of my project, and then once the height is achieved, I am going to basically just single crochet all the way across just to match the bottom. So I'm going to single crochet into that first stitch, and then in the chain 4 spaces, I'm going to make 3 single crochets. So right into the space, 1, 2, 3, and then when I get to the single crochets, I'm going to single crochet there, and then here's another chain 4 space. I'm going to make 3 single crochets, and then into the single crochet, and I'm just going to keep doing this all the way across. So here I've single crocheted all the way across for my last and final row. I don't have really any rows in between. There's 1 or 2 rows in between, but when you do the single crochets across, it will match the bottom and the side, so it will kind of enclose the rows in between. I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.